just straight up creepy.
Hey everyone,
I mean, just
welcome to my channel.
don't say anything about this.
This is sunwindy ceiling fan. That's the regulator one, but we controlled by regulator Lucky Bissell with the same. Alright, so let's do. I forgot that this is me right here. There we go. So that's here.
You're right, but what can we do about it?
That's what I've been thinking. I mean, someone is crazy. You gotta figure they've done something before, right?
I guess.
That's what we have to find out.
What do you mean?
Come on.
I turn to speed 1. This fan looks like
How do you take a break from
speed
this?
You want my
4.
dad to take his power saver to
I
you?
think it's like the
He does, but if
sunwindy
he catches you when you're with his
regulator.
only daughter, trust me, the honeymoon is over. Look at this.
What?
Well, when Coach Burke introduced Devin to us, she said that she was the team captain, the cheerleading squad at Plainfield Junior College.
The one right at the coast.
Yes.
Okay, so
So this is their website, and it says right here that Janet Hughes, their head coach, has been there for 10 years.
she's been there when Devin was there.
Exactly.
And I'm guessing you want to pay her a visit.
You're pretty smart for a football player.
I turn to speed 2.
Finally!
Sorry, I got ready as fast as I could.
By the time we get there, she's not even gonna be there anymore.
Probably not. What, you're the only one who can play detective?
Is that her home address?
Pretty smart for a football player.
Let's go. Hi.
You hungry?
So hungry I forgot to eat.
Well, I'm just wrapping up things here at the site. We'll grab a bite to eat.
Actually, I have to run over to one of our properties. I'm meeting someone, but it shouldn't take too long. Can meet you at the restaurant?
That's fine with me. That's all right with you.
Hannah coming too?
No, she's got early dinner plans with her friends, and then they are going to the library to study after.
Oh, the library. I remember what that meant in high school.
I turn to speed
Okay.
3.
I'll call you when I'm on the way.
Okay, sounds good. See you there. This is it.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, can I help you?
Sorry to bother you, ma'am, but are you Coach Hughes of Plainfield?
Yes.
My name is Hannah Thompson. I'm on the senior cheerleading team at Lincoln High. This is my friend Ben Fairmont. We were hoping to talk to you for a minute about Devin Walters.
I turn to speed 4.
Walters? What would you possibly want to know about her?
She's my assistant coach.
So,
It looks like speed 1.
what is it that you want to know?
Well, what can you tell me about her?
Well, she was definitely a dedicated cheerleader. She was great to the squad. She was a great leader. And we were happy to see her graduate, but, sad to see her go. Hell, what did she do?
Well, she's been verbally abusive to me and other girls on the team. But we have reason to believe she might actually be dangerous.
Devin came to Plainfield right after high school.
I turn
She's
off the
incredibly
fan
talented
now.
And an incredible problem. She became close with another cheerleader named Chrissy Riggins.
The
She
bike
came from
fan
divorce
goes
family,
with an
and she lived with
AC.
her dad.
Got
And her dad was super cool. He was always around. All the girls liked him. He was just a nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
And then, things got complicated.
So thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Devin fell in love with him, didn't she?
I wouldn't call it love. I would call it obsession.